I stat out the fatigue balance for very balance. Maya, what if you never slept a full night again, just 20-minute naps around the clock? Some people swear it gives them superpowers. The reality is a lot stranger. It's called polyphasic sleep. Instead of one long block, you nap every few hours, as little as 2 total hours a day. On paper, you'd gain years of extra waking life. Week 1 is brutal. Your body fights it. You're fog-brained, clumsy, and irritable as it's dragged out of its natural rhythm. Most people quit right here, but here's what your brain is really missing: deep sleep and REM. That's when it clears waste, locks in memories, and repairs itself. Naps barely touch these stages, so your brain starts improvising. It crashes into REM the instant you lie down, sometimes triggering vivid, dreamlike hallucinations while you're still awake. Push further and the damage compounds. Focus, mood, and immune function drop. Your body treats chronic nap-only sleep like a threat it can't switch off. And the promise? Mostly a myth. Studies show the brain adapts far less than the biohackers claim. You can't fully train away your need for deep sleep. A rare few report thriving for a while. But, for almost everyone, the body wins in the end, quietly demanding back every hour you tried to skip. So would you trade your nights for naps to buy more waking hours? Or is a full night's sleep the real superpower? Tell me below.